Today's message: restore your hope in your troubles with Jesus. 1. God's sign in our troubles. Dear brothers and sisters who follow our YouTube channel God's Voice TV, there are times when life pushes us into difficult situations, making us feel exhausted and burdened. But I want to tell you that Jesus has not abandoned you. No matter how deep your troubles are, Jesus is your hope. Matthew 11:28 says, "Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest." How can we restore our hope in the midst of challenge? 2. Jesus is our light in dark times. The Bible shows us people who went through severe trials but never gave up because they trusted in God. Job lost everything: his family, wealth, and health. Yet, he declared, "I know that my Redeemer lives." Job 19:25. Daniel was thrown into the lion's den, but because of his faith, God rescued him. The Israelites faced the Red Sea, but God made a way for them. Romans 8:28 reminds us, "All things work together for good for those who love God." If you are still alive today, God still has a plan for you. Do not lose heart. Here are 3 important things to do when facing challenges. 1. Trust in God and His will. God knows why you went through what you did. Isaiah 41:10 says, "Do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God." To stay in prayer. Whenever you face a problem, pray. Jesus Himself said, "Ask and it will be given to you. Seek and you will find." Matthew 7:7. 3. Read and meditate on God's Word. The Bible provides hope and strengthens the heart. Psalm 119:105 says, "Your word is a lamp to my feet and a light for my path." Brothers and sisters, I want you to know that there is no problem God cannot solve. Even when you feel abandoned, Jesus still loves you. Do not give up. Isaiah 43:2 says, "When you pass through the waters, I will be with you, and when you pass through the rivers, they will not sweep over you." Today, restore your hope. If you believe that Jesus is your hope, comment below, "Jesus is my hope," and share this message so that many others may be encouraged. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel God's Voice TV.